The world's first gigawatt-scale AI training cluster, Colossus 2, officially goes online to redefine what training size means. Colossus 2 dwarfs prior systems, consuming more power than a mid-size city's peak demand. By April, its capacity will surge to 1.5 gigawatts, akin to a large nuclear plant's output. OpenAI and friends map ambitious 2027 plans, while xAI claims city-scale power for its ambitions. Colossus 1 reached full operation in 122 days. Colossus 2 has just crossed the 1 GW threshold and aims higher. Epic AI estimates Colossus 2's compute strength rivals hundreds of thousands of GPUs in power and performance. In a bold leap, the project uses liquid cooling across every rack to sustain relentless workloads. Elon Musk's team showcases speed from 0 to 1 gigabytes in record time with a target of 2 GW's total capacity. The press touts 140 million H100 equivalent compute power, a staggering benchmark for scalable AI. Colossus 2's deployment included hundreds of cooling units and thousands of server blades arranged in massive bays. The project began with a Memphis warehouse acquisition and expanded to a facility mirroring a city's footprint. 6 months of rapid build, 119 wind-cooled chillers delivering about 200 megaBars of cooling capacity. Grok 5 with 6 trillion parameters is being trained atop Colossus 2 to push toward a true singularity. Video understanding features in Grok 5 promise multimodal intelligence beyond text, image, and speech. Costs run in the hundreds of billions, yet backing from sovereign funds keeps the machine fueled. Grok 5 could unlock artificial general intelligence by mid-year, according to Musk's projections. A second wave of growth. By mid-2025, plans for 2 GW's capacity and beyond intensify. Colossus 2's expansion to 2 GW is tied to a new macro RDRR building beside the main campus. Industry watchers compare these systems to the dojo of Electromention, an era-defining arms race. Tech giants race toward GW-scale AI, with Stargate, Prometheus, and Hyperion projects entering the arena. OpenAI's Stargate aims for 10 GW capacity, a bold leap toward a new frontier for AI training and inference. Meta's Prometheus and Hyperion plans envision 1 to 5 gigawatts, expanding the data center footprint dramatically. Anthropic partners with Google Cloud TPU, aiming for up to 1 million TPUs and multi-platform AI workloads. AI infrastructure becomes the decisive battleground, shifting from model size to power and energy density. Industry analysts warn of electricity scarcity as data centers flood the grid and push power demand higher. New centers promise tens of gigawatts of capacity in the coming years, reshaping energy markets and pricing. Residents near sprawling campuses raise concerns about electricity bills and local infrastructure stress. The AI race is as much about electricity as algorithms, a bold wager on energy resilience and policy. In this accelerating timeline, the world watches as silicon and sunlight fuse in unprecedented scale. This is not fiction, but a real momentum shift shaping innovation, jobs, and the future of computation. Prepare to witness the dawn of the GW era as the singularity edges closer with every watt. This 3-minute window captures the hype, the power, and the promise of the Colossus 2 era. From 0 to 1 GW in months to 2 GWs and beyond, the race accelerates with each new milestone. As Grok 5 trains, the system learns to understand video, audio, and complex scenes in one go. The wind of change blows through Silicon Valley, reshaping software, hardware, and the way we power the planet. Stay tuned as the GW era unfolds and redefine what humanity can compute and achieve.